Look at that baby boy. Hey. Is it snowing? Is it snowing or what? Huh? Let's go look. Roll, roll, roll. Can you see it? Let's go look. December 24th, 2007. I'm an idiot. December 24th, 2009. Oh, I was going to say 2007. Because I'm an idiot. What do you think about that? I know. What? What is it? I know. It's snow. It's snowing. Wanna go make snow angels? Wanna go write our names in the snow? I bet we can do it. Let's drink a bunch of Mountain Dew and go outside and write our names. I know. I know. You're silly. What a silly Willie. Like a blizzard out there. It's just like one. It's not actually one though. What's that? Abu. Abu. Sounds like scared. Got any toys on there? Say bye. You say bye? Nope. Bye-bye.